Editorial matter 3, 2, 1, start. Humans possesses four basic emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, and fear. Each has a unique place in our lives and shapes much of our responses to situations. The unknown is probably one entity that invokes all four emotions and spurs us into action. However, it is the fear of what we project onto the unknown that often paralyzes us into inaction. Action is built into our psyche. We must necessarily move even though we do not know the results of our endeavors. Instead of focusing on the happiness we will derive from success, we let this uncertainty bog us down. We procrastinate, terrified of failure, and refuse to take the next step. This is an all too familiar phenomenon that we encounter every day of our lives. As we start going up the professional ladder, many of us follow time tested formula handed down to us by predecessors. We hesitate to make decisions contrary to the establishment norms, even though such decisions may result in substantial gains within the framework of certain acceptable risks. All our efforts are guided by that one decision in 10 which did not click. We do not look at the 9 that did. We forget that as a child we had no fears when we started exploring the universe around us. We fell as we tried to get on our 2 feet but were encouraged or even forced to keep trying till we mastered the art of walking or, for that matter, everything. We also forget that we were not scared to take up a job after college, even though we knew nothing about the work we had to do. We learned from our mistakes. The worst was that we failed the first time, and the best was that we succeeded eventually. The joy of success, we forget that humans evolved due to an inherent desire to explore the unknown without a care for failure or success. New words were found and new inventions and scientific discoveries were made, all because of a few dared to venture into the unknown. We deny ourselves the endless new opportunities that each new day brings. It is not that we do not possess this spirit, it is just that generations of conditioning have made it dormant till we are in a situation with our backs to the wall. Nowhere is it more in evidence than in Jugaad, the flexible approach to solve a problem innovatively when one has limited resources. In our personal lives, we are told to pursue our dreams but are often guided towards the more tried and safer options. We do not even try to think of the endless possibilities and the heights that society can reach if everyone is encouraged not to fear the failure of the unknown. but to think about success and is free to follow his or her heart. This is the contradiction that most of us from the earlier generation, specifically from the middle class, face when teaching the young. Fortunately for our race, the young of today are better prepared for the unknown with the availability of much better sources of information, which were also created by a few who dared to dream. We should teach the young to step out in the rain without an umbrella and get drenched. Thank you.